I was born in Cork, I went to school here. I then went on to college in UCC before joining Lilly as a graduate in 2017. So one of the unique things about the site in Kinsale is each day at work is different. With the diversity of business, there's a lot of different opportunities that you can expose yourself to and that you can make what you want of your career across a broad range of manufacturing platforms. When I started as a graduate engineer, I was working in downstream manufacturing. After being an engineer, I got interested in working in management. So I took on a role as a process team mentor, supporting one of the process teams in one of our biotech facilities. And after that, then I progressed into a process team leader role. By joining Lilly, I was able to kind of grow my own career while also continuing to enjoy things outside of work. I have a good passion for golf and play a lot of golf. Staying in Cork in Ireland and being able to continue that while continuing my career was something that I really valued. Lilly are obviously a massive pharmaceutical company worldwide now, and having such a big base at Kinsale really affords a lot of opportunities to people. And I now have the opportunity to travel with Lilly to work in the corporate centre in Indianapolis. And being able to kind of get that opportunity with such a big company to travel and see the kind of scope of the company even further is something that's really unique. So I have always wanted to work abroad, I just didn't want to leave Lilly to do that, and getting to do that with the company is a great opportunity.